Touchscreen mist cleaner, screen cleaner, sterilization disinfection cleansing, screen cleaner spray, safe for all phones, laptop and tablet screens, 2-in-1 spray and microfiber cloth, gray. Highlights of product. With spraying and rubbing it is easy to carry. With its size of a lipstick, it is soft for its super fiber cloth and do not hurt the screen. The decontamination ability is strong. It can be used repeatedly. It can be used after cleaning and drying. Functions: cleaning, disinfect, antistatic, degreasing, remove the oil and fingerprint. Scope of using: currently using for cell phone/tablet PC/notebook PC/indicator/television screens. Character: faint fragrance, no alcohol, non-toxic, harmless, do not drop hair color, a spray a wipe, convenient and practical. Material: AS+True Superfiber plus cleaning solution, deionized purified water, surfactant, etc. Size: 3.45 inch 1.1 inch 1.1 in. Using methods: 1. Spray the cleaner head to the screen at a distance of 1 to 2 from the 3.9 inches. 2. Remove stains by gently wiping the super fiber cloth on the bottle. 3. After wiping, it is as clean as new.